welcome back. The table is a mess, but I'm going to do this real quick because I have a bunch of things that I'm trying to get done. This is a hanging plant tray for myself. The same blue iridescent theme. Damn, I'm gonna have to drill holes. These didn't, oh, because it shifted. The thingies shifted when I was doing the mold, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to drill holes in the, well, I might have to drill it. Yeah, I could push them out. Yeah, they're thin enough for me to just pop them out. And did she right there. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, this is mine too. mine, because I of course had to make myself a candle holder. Like, how did I get a mold and not make myself one? Like, what? Anyways, oh, come on, baby. I know I'm doing this from the front. That's because my phone is running out of memory, and it keeps cutting off when I'm recording videos. I was doing another unmolding and it shut off, so that obviously is not gonna get posted. Oh, come on. Also messed up my nail during that unmolding, but it's okay because I was experimenting and the experiment didn't work out, so it's not like there was much to see anyways. I'll post something of it somewhere once I get it out the mold and get all that done. But oh, this is my candle holder, also with the blue iridescent theme. There's a red star in here because it's a rogue star. But this looks so okay. This looks so cool how the glitter like accumulated around the holes. Ah, this is so cute. Okay, mine. What else is mine? That's it. Yeah, that's all that's mine. Okay, so this is actually a set to be sold because I don't need coasters. You have to host for that. Actually, I have coasters, but like not like a set, you know. Oh wait, let me do this one first so I can sit them in there. Oh my gosh, these are like abusing me. Every time I take these out, I think about that spray, but I'm like, no, it's okay. It's not that serious. I'm being dramatic. Oh, this looks gorge. Yeah. This looks so pretty. I'm so biased because I made them, but I don't care. This looks so pretty. A little splash of white with a little gold hint. I don't know if you can see it. I love. Okay, we're gonna put this here and drop. Oh, I'm gonna try a different, see if they'll stand up another way. But yeah, see, it has like a little, we're gonna call this something. I don't know, maybe cloudy something. I don't know. But this is cute. I'll have to get closer and show y'all what these looks like. I love the contrast on these. Like, oh, girl, you got the sight, you got the vision. Yeah. Oh, I love these. Let me go around. Like, one, they're blue, and two, like, pretty AF. Like, you see that? You can see, can you see the gold? But I was saying I wanted to see if they'll, yeah, I guess they'll stand up like that for display purposes. I think I'm gonna start setting them up like this for display purposes. I gotta clean off the edges on some of these, but these are so gorge. Like, yeah. I don't like that this one doesn't have the gold. Well, that one got all the gold, it looks like. But it was supposed to be like random streaks in there. But you see it, I love it. All right, is that all my blues? Yeah, that's all my blues. I have one more blue, but that needs to get another layer. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. And whether you got it on purpose or by faith, thank you so much for watching this unmolding. Bye.